Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Photos app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on this dot at the top left corner. Now to exclude some, just click on the chosen ones. To delete the rest, click on this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Tap on Got It and select Move to Trash. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!